For the seasoned gentlemen out there interested in capturing the hearts of younger women, today's topic is for you. We're talking about the effective techniques older men use to win over younger women. It's not just about wealth or status. It's about understanding the dynamics of attraction and leveraging your life experience in a way that resonates with them. From communication strategies to presenting your most appealing self, I'll guide you through these proven techniques. Are you ready to explore these insights and enhance your approach? 1. Narrative charm. As an older man, you can captivate a younger woman by mastering the art of storytelling. Use your diverse experiences to make each story a journey in itself. This narrative charm isn't just about recounting events. It's about weaving tales that enthrall and intrigue. Your stories, rich with life lessons and adventures, can create a captivating allure, showing her a world beyond her own experiences and drawing her into the depth and breadth of your life journey. 2. Cultural connoisseur. Demonstrate your appreciation for various cultures, perhaps through a shared love of cuisine, art, or music. By introducing her to diverse experiences, you offer her a taste of a more varied and rich life. This cultural expertise is not just about showcasing knowledge, it's about sharing experiences that broaden her horizons. It's an attractive quality that can make you stand out, offering her unique experiences that her peers may not be able to provide. 3. Intellectual teasing. Engage in playful intellectual debates on topics she's passionate about. This kind of intellectual teasing is a way to challenge her mind in a flirtatious and engaging manner. It's about stimulating conversation that sparks her interest and shows your ability to engage with her on a level that transcends age. This approach can create a dynamic, exciting interaction where both of you can explore ideas in a spirited yet lighthearted way. 4. Sophisticated humor. Use a refined sense of humor that combines wit with wisdom, carefully tailored to her interests and sensibilities. This type of humor is subtle, often reflecting a deeper understanding of the world. It's not about making her laugh with just any joke. It's about using humor that resonates with her, showing that you understand what she finds amusing. Sophisticated humor can bridge the age gap, creating a shared moment of laughter and connection that's both enjoyable and intellectually stimulating. 5. Emotional synchrony. An effective technique for an older man to connect with a younger woman is to demonstrate emotional synchrony. This involves tuning into her emotions and showing empathy and understanding that goes beyond the superficial. By being emotionally attuned, you validate her feelings and experiences, creating a bond that is both comforting and deep. This ability to connect on an emotional level can bridge the age gap, making her feel seen and understood by someone with more life experience. 6. The mentor's edge. Leverage your life experience by offering insights and mentorship in areas where she's eager to learn and grow. This mentorship can establish a bond of trust and respect. It's not just about imparting knowledge, it's about encouraging her ambitions and supporting her growth. This role of a mentor can be a powerful draw, as it combines the security of guidance with the excitement of shared discovery and learning. 7. Aesthetic appreciation. Share your appreciation for aesthetic experiences, such as art exhibits, theater, or classical concerts, and offer to explore these together. This approach can introduce her to new cultural experiences and perspectives. By appreciating and sharing the finer things in life, you can create shared moments that are both enriching and romantic, showing her a world that perhaps is new and intriguing, different from her usual experiences. 8. Strategic vulnerability. Incorporate strategic vulnerability into your conversations. By sharing your experiences, challenges, and even uncertainties, you deepen the emotional connection and build trust. This vulnerability shows that you're not just an experienced figure, but also a human with a depth of emotion and experience. It invites a deeper level of intimacy in the relationship, making her feel more connected and invested in you as a person, not just as an older man. 9. Mindful presence. An older man can significantly appeal to a younger woman by practicing and demonstrating mindfulness in their interactions. This involves being fully present in the moment, showing a depth of presence that is often rare. Mindful presence means actively listening, being engaged in the conversation, and showing genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. This quality can be incredibly attractive, as it shows that you value the time spent together and are fully attentive to her, making her feel respected and cherished. 10. Adventure crafting. Crafting small adventures or experiences tailored to her interests can demonstrate your thoughtfulness and zest for life. Whether it's a surprise visit to a place she's mentioned wanting to explore, or an activity that aligns with her hobbies, these adventures show that you're not only interested in her, but also willing to make experiences enjoyable and memorable. This approach can add excitement to the relationship and show that age doesn't limit your ability to enjoy and explore new things together. 11. Philosophical flair. Engage her in light philosophical discussions to pique her curiosity and show the depth in your worldview. These conversations can be about life, dreams, values, or any topic that allows for deeper contemplation. This intellectual stimulation can be very appealing to a younger woman, as it showcases your experience and wisdom while also respecting her intellect and perspective. It's a way to connect on a deeper, more intellectual level, which can be both intriguing and attractive. 12. The art of subtle flattery. Utilize subtle and genuine flattery that focuses more on her intellect, talents, or values, rather than just her physical appearance. This kind of flattery shows that you appreciate her for who she is, not just how she looks. It demonstrates that you have taken the time to understand and value her as a complete person. This approach is respectful and shows that you are attracted to her for all the right reasons, which can be particularly meaningful coming from an older man with more life experience. 13. Creative compliments. As an older man, employing creative compliments can be a significant way to win over a younger woman. These compliments should be unique and specific to her, showing that you notice and appreciate her individuality. It's about recognizing the qualities that make her special, whether it's her creativity, her way of thinking, or her approach to life. This type of compliment goes beyond superficial praise and shows that you're paying attention to who she truly is. 14. Gentlemanly gestures. Gentlemanly gestures can reflect respect and admiration, tailored to a modern context. This could be anything from opening doors for her to thoughtful gestures that show you care. These acts of courtesy, when done genuinely, can set you apart and demonstrate a level of sophistication and respect that is appealing. It's about showing her that you value manners and respect, traits that can be particularly appealing coming from someone with more life experience. 15. Intriguing anecdotes. Sharing intriguing anecdotes from your life, especially those relevant to her interests, can showcase the richness and relatability of your experiences. These stories should not just highlight your past, but should also connect to her life or interests in some way. This approach can help bridge the age gap by finding common ground, while also giving her a glimpse into the diverse experiences that have shaped you. 16. The wisdom approach. Utilize your wisdom to offer a different perspective on her challenges or thoughts, enriching her viewpoints. As an older man, your life experiences can provide insights that she may not have considered. Offering these perspectives in a supportive and non-condescending manner can be very attractive. It shows that you're not just interested in sharing your knowledge, but also in helping her grow and see the world in new ways. This approach can deepen your connection and demonstrate the unique value you bring to her life. 17. Sophisticated playfulness. Introducing a level of playfulness that is sophisticated and well-aligned with her personality and interests can be a highly effective technique. This kind of playfulness, which is more refined and thoughtful, can be very appealing. It shows that you're not just mature and experienced, but also that you have a youthful spirit and can engage with her in a light-hearted, fun manner. This balance between maturity and playfulness can make interactions with you exciting and dynamic, helping to bridge any age-related differences. 18. Genuine life advice. Offering genuine and thoughtful advice on life decisions can demonstrate your sincere interest in her well-being and future. As an older man, your advice can be invaluable, especially when it comes from a place of caring and experience. This kind of support not only shows that you are wise, but also that you are invested in her life and success. It's an attractive quality that can deepen her respect and admiration for you. 19. Existential exploration. Engaging in discussions about existential topics, such as the meaning of life, philosophical ideas, or deeper aspects of human experience, provides a space for deep and meaningful conversations. These discussions can be particularly engaging for a younger woman, as they show that you're not just interested in superficial topics, but are also capable of diving into more profound subjects. This can create a unique connection as you explore these complex topics together, offering insights and perspectives shaped by your broader life experience. Mastered these techniques? Now discover how to tell she's waiting for you to make a move or uncover the signs she thinks you're good looking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.